powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Heqlen Mega Mica in Phalaborwa.
My store is one of the biggest stores around Phalaborwa, so Mica is one of the best service provider here in our town. One of the greatest store, service deliverance is always the best, so I will say we are number one. What makes me proud about my store is we engage in a whole lot of activities in our community. We bring a lot to our customers and they really appreciate us as the people who love Mica.
The best thing that makes this store highest in the level, we always have the availability brand that each and every local or biggest supplier wants in the store. We are respected for that.
What makes it the best store in Phalaborwa to buy Plascon products is the service that you will get from us as the sales rep. I will say Plascon is a very wonderful product. It serves a very, very good quality and it's very durable. So that's what makes it the best.
My favorite Plascon product is Polvin. The matte finish washable is the only thing that keeps the original color for all our clients.
My DIY tip is having the right preparation, gathering the right tools, and having the correct measures to do the work.
The DIY motto that I have, that I can even share to our client, is that in Plascon, we always ride.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.